Alright, it's recording.
Alright, we're gonna do a song in the version of like an old Motown jazz rock, actually just a rock song.
It's very rock.
Dr. Strangelove type song.
Yeah, Doctor.
It's called My Dog's Asleep.
We love you in the morning.
But we love you in the morning. Even though you're asleep, I'll still love you in the morning. Okay, I was gonna start off as soon as he
gets back from where he's going.
Come on, Connor, start us off.
Alright, here comes
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I woke up this morning, you were there. I told you I'd break your ass, but I cut off your hair. When you woke to find it was gone, you weren't happy. I ran around and you got all sappy. I wake you up in the morning, tell you it's okay. I'm gonna play guitar, but I'm really so gay. And if you could find me one good reason to stay, I'll be here till the end of the day. And when I see you sleeping, I just wanna punch your face in. But I don't, 'cause I see you're sleeping so nice, man. And when you're sleeping, I wanna kick you in the shin. But I don't, 'cause I know you're dreaming of me. I'll let you home, drop you off at your door, and I'll wait for you to get me some more milk for my dry throat, coffee for my energy, bacon and eggs for my hunger and adoration. I'm an old tree, rock, that road is my soul. Rock, that road is my soul. Rock, that road is my soul. Gonna take it down, man. Gonna get it on a better issue.
Proud song, man.
No.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's just ready. And then when you come home, I'm not gonna tell you where I've been
We're still in G.
and who I sent out of their home. When you wake up, I'll be there for a little while, and I won't leave anymore.
Good boy.
Is that it?
It's horrible.